because I'll get sued back. I said, you guys rivet it on my face. And my God, I'll stop it. You guys rivet it.
The one that I say really fast is the one where I go,
I'm Corey Finzel, and this is the production of Singing in the Rain at Tyler Junior College.
It's got a little blog right there, but I don't know what to do about that unless we get a Q-tip and get it off.
your eyelash is sticking to your eye.
You were kissing him. No, I was kissing her. I happen to be in love with her. That's the line.
Oh.
Just keep it the way you've had it. Keep it the way you've had it.
Hey, drama queen.
I didn't think you were going to. You know what?
Drama queen.
That would be what I'm about to punch you. I need to go get my
I'll make it up to you.
Broadway rhythm, it's got me. Broadway rhythm, it's got me. All the great boys waving each lady, and they were much to play, taking your breath away with the Broadway rhythm, it's got me. We sing and dance.
So cool.
No, I heard
This is what I did. What is that?
I think my shoe just caught in there.
Did you slip on the deck?
Yeah, my heel caught in the...
You feel caught because you're not used to it? You guys have got to really get yourself focused in tonight. You've really got to get yourself geared up, psyched up. I think you're psyched up.
Broadway rhythm, it's got me everything.
Walk down, do your company bow, acknowledge the orchestra, take one more company bow, everybody take 2 steps back so they don't get knocked in the pit from the ground, and we're just going to do it that way, okay?
Gotta dance, gotta dance, gotta dance.
How are you? What? Yes, and you do. Oh, God.
Broadway rhythm, it's got me out on the straight white way in each merry cafe, or just to play, taking your breath away with the Broadway rhythm, it's got me singing and dance.
What is that?
Wow, how
Oh, that Broadway rhythm. Oh, that Broadway rhythm. When I hear that, I feel like dancing down the street.
Well, it's my bone.
Number 7. Thank you.
Am I the only one that's not? Oh, I have shoes for it.
Time is
Okay, Dawn? I know. So he goes alone and apart, 1 and 2, out of a tree. Okay, now.
Well, we don't know what time it is.
7 o'clock.
When the band began to play, the stars were shining bright. Now the milkman's on his way, it's too late to say goodnight. So good morning, good morning.
Like, at the end of the show, if you could help clean up rain before you go anywhere, it would be greatly appreciated, just because you don't want people out there cleaning. So if you could help.
But nobody likes free lunch.
No.
It's a, you have, people in here, stretches and stuff.
Right.
Get out there before we have it broke in. So, okay, folks, also, Connie, when did you put the towels for Cory?
I said.
They're right there by the
Nobody,
mirror.
okay. There are towels back here for Cory to dry off all. Please don't grab them for Rain, because he's got to get dry too. Okay, folks,
And Cory, you'll have warm water because of pollution.
I know. Where's that now?
lead
To the tent on the water.
Okay, here's,
Wide open.
no, the hot,
No.
okay.
It's falling 20 feet. It's going to be cold no matter what.
Okay, guys,
Blistering hot.
okay. Yeah, we don't want to scald him.
You know what?